Hi, this is William. The service organization wants an automation that does two things. One, it creates a record in Airtable, and then it updates that same record. Here's what I'm going to show you. The service org's client uploads a PNG file into Google Drive. Then the Zapier creates that Airtable record based on a trigger. Then the editor at the service organization is going to update the PNG file. Then that same technician is going to version that file, move the PNG file to another Google Drive folder, and that is going to trigger the that same record that they created before. It's going to update the status of that record. So that's what I'm going to show. So now we're looking at the Google Drive as the client, and this is the PNG file that I want to send for processing. Just go ahead and place that into the uploaded folder on Google Drive. That's done. Now I'll take a look at Airtable so we can see the name of the file, Dawn of Adventure. That is not yet, the record has not yet been created. Within Airtable, we'll wait for that. All right. The record has been created. So now, as the technician, I'm going to be keeping an eye in Airtable on the Kanban board. I see I've got some things that I've already processed, but then I see the work that I need to do. I need to go and grab this PNG file. Go ahead and do that. In this case, I'm just going to kick off the editing process straight from Google Drive. We'll do a very quick edit. Save to desktop. In this case, as part of the workflow, PNG. That's done. Back in Google Drive, update the version with what we just edited. Okay, we've got the edited version. Now we're going to move it to the next Google Drive folder in the workflow. Take a look at that folder, confirm it's there. There it is. And next this is going to trigger the update of the Airtable record that was created. And we're going to wait for the Zap to pick that up. And so we'll see a difference on the all records table, and then it will be moved out of the Kanban column as well. Okay, so the record has been updated. So the file has been has their status updated, which makes them jump Kanban columns. If we look on the all records version, we can see that the status is now edited where it was uploaded before. And so that is this very simple automation, and the automation is handled through Zaps. There's two Zaps. One handles the files once they're uploaded. The trigger is the new file and folder. When we put it in the uploaded folder, then I've got a couple of steps here. It builds a unique ID and applies the unique ID to the file itself. And then the record is created in Airtable. And the unique ID was put in in order to survive things like updating the file name, making changes of similar nature. Also can make it available for other applications if we choose to enter this file into the workflow using other automation applications or other applications really of any kind. So that's the first Zap. And then the second zap is the one that creates the or updates the created record. Oops, back at the first zap. And the second zap. So again, same new file and folder trigger, except this is based off the edited folder, not the uploaded folder. And it finds the record based on the unique ID. And once it identifies the record, it updates the record. So that's what this app does. So that is this automation, updating Airtable using Zapier based on activity in Google Drive. Thanks for watching.